Mr. Witness?
It was issued on January 25, 2010.
May we ask Your Honor that this document previously marked as Exhibit AA. We will just do the request, Your Honor. Permission to approach the witness, please, Your Honor.
Sit.
Mr. Witness, I'm showing you another document marked as Exhibit AA or double A, which is a condominium certificate of title number 164-201-000-0064, issued to spouses Cristina Corona and Renato Corona by the Registry of Deeds for Taguig City, and represented by Randy A. Rotacchio, Registrar of Deeds. Please go over this document and reconfirm whether this is the same document that you earlier identified when you testified before the Honorable Impeachment Court.
Yes, sir, this is the same document.
The same document that
For the record, Your Honor,
that was presented to you by the prosecution and the subject matter of your testimony.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
When I was presented as a witness for the prosecution,
All right.
this is the same document.
Your Honor, this same document, which is marked as Exhibit AA, was previously marked as Exhibit 17 for the defense, Your Honor. And the document identified by the witness as Exhibit BB was also previously marked as Exhibit 18 for the defense.
Noted.
Mr. Witness, that document marked as Exhibit AA, when was that issued?
It was issued on January 25, 2010.
All right. Your Honor, may we ask that the date read by the witness as January 25, 2010 on the document marked as Exhibit AA be marked as Exhibit 17-A for the defense, Your Honor.
Mark it accordingly.
And also the date read by the witness as January 25, 2010 on the document previously marked as Exhibit BB be bracketed and marked as Exhibit 18-A for the defense, Your Honor.
Mark it accordingly.
Now, Mr. Witness, I have here another document previously marked as Exhibit Y for the prosecution. It is a condominium certificate of title number 164-201-000-0062, issued to spouses Cristina Corona and Renato Corona by the Registry of Deeds for Taguig City, represented by a certain Randy A. Rotacchio. Please kindly go over this document and reconfirm whether that is the same document that you testified on earlier.
Anyway, this is a common exhibit. Why can you not just agree?
That is exactly our point, Your Honor. All these
That is
documents.
the same document.
We will just go directly with the submarking, Your Honor. This is just to give the witness an opportunity, Your Honor, to examine the same document.
Yes, sir, this is the same document.
The submarkings need not be made in open court, Your Honor, because these have been previously marked. They have, for the prosecution, they have marked these exhibits for the defense. And I do not see why we should burden the Honorable Court the time, Your Honor.
Anyway,
With due respect, Your Honor, to my
I do not
compañero,
know-
Your Honor, it has been
I
a
do not
practice
know
to
the
allow the
purpose of
submarkings,
the
Your Honor.
submarking, but the entire document contains date information, and the best evidence of those information is that document and nothing else.
The submarking, Your Honor, is to highlight the date of the issuance
All right,
of these titles, Your Honor.
Continue. Do it.
Thank you, please, Your Honor. Now, with the manifestation of counsel, may I just ask, Your Honor, that the document marked as Exhibit Z, previously marked as Exhibit 16 for the defense, be submarked on the portion bearing the date January 25, 2010. We request that the same date be bracketed and marked as Exhibit 16-A, Your Honor.
Mark it accordingly.
And also the document marked previously as Exhibit Y for the prosecution and Exhibit 19 for the defense be submarked on the portion bearing the date January 25, 2010. And this date we request to be bracketed and marked as Exhibit 19-A, Your Honor.
Mark it accordingly. What is that? Is that the parking lot?
This is, Your Honor, the condominium unit as well as the parking lots, Your Honor,
Okay.
collectively known as the Bellagio property.
Okay.
There are 4 titles issued to this property, Your Honor.
Which is the main title of the Bellagio property?
The main title, Your Honor, is Condominium Certificate of Title number 164-201-000-0062, Your Honor.
And the other condominium titles are all refer to parking lots.
Yes, please, Your Honor. The 3 other titles refer to the parking areas, Your Honor.
All right.
More particularly,
All right,
number
just-
50, 51, and 52, please.
All right,
Correct.
proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Now, you mentioned a while ago, Mr. Witness, that there
Just a
are...
minute. Does those parking lots given separate values under the contract of acquisition?
Under the loan, deed of absolute sale, Your Honor,
Yeah.
these properties are lumped together under one consideration, Your Honor.
All right. Proceed. So
Thank you, Your Honor. Please.
there is no separate consideration for the 3 parking lots. None.
Under this deed of absolute sale, Your Honor, that is correct. There is just...
What is the consideration stated in the deed of sale?
After specifying, Your Honor, the properties, including the condominium unit, as well as the parking areas, paragraph specifically pertaining to the consideration states that the same is 14,510,225 pesos, Your Honor.
That is the totality of the consideration for the 4 titles.
That is correct, Your Honor, please.
Proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Witness, you mentioned a while ago that there are accompanying documents that you require before you issue a title. For this particular Bellagio property, can you tell the Honorable Court whether there are documents that you actually required or examined?
Can I have the deed of sale, Your Honor?
So, what is your answer, please? You want to verify first?
Yep.
All right. Your Honor, permission again to approach the witness.
You don't have to ask the permission of the court. Just go near the witness.
Thank you, Your Honor, please. I'm showing, Your Honor, the witness a document entitled Deed of Absolute Sale, previously marked as Exhibit CC, notarized on December 16, 2009, executed by and between Mega World Corporation and spouses Cristina Corona and Renato Corona.
Yes, sir. We require the usual requirements that the buyer and seller file with our office, like the certificate authorizing registration and the tax clearance.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Witness. Your Honor, please, the defense requests that this Exhibit CC, marked earlier, be also marked as our common evidence for the defense, and that the same be marked as Exhibit 193 for the defense, Your Honor.
Mark it accordingly.
Mr. Witness, aside from that deed of sale, would you confirm with the Honorable Court whether you have also required a certificate authorizing registration?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you're shown that certificate authorizing registration relative to this particular